Hi friends, it's weekend and I'm back again with another recipe on a cake. This time it's a carrot cake and it's a cake that never seems to go out of style. The interesting part is that it is rich and soft with some grated carrots in it. This gives the carrot cake sweetness, color and a moist texture. Its flavor is so good, you must try it out. So let's start by applying some butter onto an 8-inch cake pan. And line the bottom of the pan with a parchment paper like this. In case you don't have a parchment paper at home, then you can dust it with some flour. For the batter, I've taken 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. Into it, I'm going to add in 1½ teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and ½ teaspoon of salt. And let's mix the dry ingredients together. Let's keep this aside. In another bowl, I've taken 4 eggs and using an electric beater, let's start whisking it. Further, slowly add in 1 cup of powdered sugar. And whisk it until it is creamy and pale. Then goes in 1 tablespoon of fresh orange juice, ½ tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of orange zest and 3/4 cup of any veg oil. Our mixture is all set and it's time now to drop in our dry flour mixture into the wet mixture. And gently fold it. Then goes in our 2 cups of grated carrots. And combine together. Now pour the batter into the parchment paper lined baking tray. And sprinkle few raisins on top. And slightly tap it down in order to remove air bubbles. Let's now bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. 5 minutes can be more or less. It's 40 minutes and it's time to remove the cake from the oven. In case you want to bake this carrot cake without an oven, then just click the link above and watch my video on how to bake a cake without an oven. Now let's check and see whether it's done. See, it's perfectly baked. Let's leave it there for 10 minutes. Now let's flip it. And then remove the parchment paper. And leave it. See, our cake is ready, very soft and moist. I just love this cake. So simple yet so tasty. This is definitely the one you must try and save the recipe. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and see you in my next video. So stay tuned.